So it's November. And you know what that means? That means there is 1 month until 2021. That means that 2020 will be over, and I, like probably all of you and probably the rest of the world, just so badly want 2020 to be over. November also means that it is a new month, and I am doing a what I bought last month. Actually, I am doing a what I bought in the last 2 months, so September and October, because I wanted to do this in October for a what I bought in a month in September. Half the things that I ordered didn't get here until like mid-October. So I am doing a what I bought in September and October. I hope that's okay with you guys. That just means that there's more things to show. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. It is right down below. Also, give it a thumbs up if you like these videos, if you enjoyed them. You guys seem to enjoy the what I bought in August video, so I hope you guys like this one as well. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. It's just at Kiana Gabrielle _ because that is where I am the most active when I am not uploading videos on YouTube. Currently, we're doing renovations in my house. That is why I didn't upload last week, but I hopefully am back. We're almost done renovations, so fingers crossed it's still consistent. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the first thing I bought in September was a planner. I usually get a planner in the beginning of the school year, but then I sort of forget about it and I just move to Google Calendar. But since everything is online, I wanted something that was tangible, and I got this one from Indigo. If you are still in need for a planner, this is an August 2020 to December 2021 planner. So you still have time. You have a whole year to use it, and it's a 17-month planner. It's just super cute with like this watercolor rainbow. It's fun. I will leave it in a link in the description box down below, as well as any of the other things that I mentioned, just in case you want to buy any of them. The next thing I bought was from Evry, and I'm going to set the record straight. I have gotten so many DMs and comments about asking about if Evry is a scam, and I, like a lot of my videos, can only speak from my experience, and I have never gotten scammed. I have always received exactly what I ordered. I've never had a problem with them, so I can only speak from what I have experienced, and I have experienced nothing but good things. That being said, I am very cautious just in general, especially with small businesses, because they are new and they are working out some sort of kinks. It is what it is, and they have never done me wrong, and I can't bash them and say that they're a scam. So this is just me talking from my experience. I know that there have been a ton of comments on their TikToks, on their Instagrams, about how people have never received their order, but I can only speak from my experience, so I just wanted to clear the air about that. That being said, I did place an order with Evry, and I got these baby tees, 3 of them actually. This one is just the black one. We all know what black looks like. But I also got 2 other ones. This one is just the white one. They have specific names. That is a hair. They have specific names, but I have no idea what they're called, but they'll be linked in the description box down below. But they are the perfect baby tee. They're super comfortable, super lightweight, super easy to just like dress up or down. Not that we have very many places to dress up for, but this one is the white one, and then brown has been a fall staple color lately, so I got a brown one. I believe this one is called Mocha, I'm pretty sure, but it's just the same thing in a brown color. But I got these 3 things from Evry, and I also got a pair of their sunglasses, and they come in this cute little pink like satin velvet duster bag. And these are, I believe they're the That's Hot sunglasses. They are a dupe for the Hailey Bieber ones, and they make you look like a bad bitch. So if you want bad bitch sunglasses, get these ones. I know that Amazon has a bunch as well, so check out for those ones, but I'll be linking these ones in the description box just because these are the ones I have. The next 2 things are from H&M, and if you saw my last vlog or something, I have been waiting for an H&M order for so long and it finally got here. This one was from a different order that me and my sister placed, and it's just a oversized, okay, it's only oversized because I got a large and I'm typically a small, but it's oversized on me, but it's just a gray basic zipped hoodie. Yeah, not much to say. We all know what that looks like. Super comfy. I literally live in it. I pair it with these gray sweatpants that I have, but I also just pair it with jeans for a more casual look. We all know what a gray sweater looks like. I don't need to try it on. But yes, a gray sweater. The next thing I got were these H&M jeans, and I actually like H&M jeans because I feel like they fit me the best. However, I typically am a 4 and I got a 6 in these jeans. These are mom jeans because I didn't know how well they would fit, and jeans in general, buying them online is just a hit or a miss. So I got a size up, and they're a little bit big, but you know what, I could just boil the jeans and they'd be good. But they're just a straight leg kind of mom jeans. They're like a light blue. What I didn't notice is they actually have bits of like acid washing on them, like right there. I didn't notice that. They make your butt look big though, so that's exciting for me. They're just really basic jeans, high-waisted mom jeans. You actually can't go wrong. The next two things I am actually wearing right now, and it is this necklace. This is, I'm gonna do a close-up so that you guys can see it, but it says, it's one of those like name necklaces, and it says Reyes, my last name, on it. I got this from an Instagram small business in Toronto, and it's called Golden Blooms. I'm gonna leave their Instagram on the screen, and then over here as well, it's gold, the letter N, and then blooms. They are a Toronto small business jewelry company. I have been in love with supporting small businesses lately, and this one takes the cake. I got something else, which I'll share with you guys in a hot minute. I saw that they do custom orders on their story, and I messaged the girl who runs the business. I believe her name is Jen, and I messaged her and I asked her if she could do a custom necklace for me. You know, she asked me how many letters I wanted. Let me tell you, the customer service at Golden Blooms is truly chef's kiss, because they are so sweet. She kept me updated through like every step of the process, the type of chain, the letters, how much it costed. She took me like step by step on how to actually purchase it through her website, which I will leave in the description box down below. She was super nice. All of her jewelry is gold filled, and I'm planning to do like a jewelry collection video, but gold filled is one step down from solid 14 karat gold. She offers sterling silver, gold vermeil, and then gold filled, which is what this necklace is, and I could not be more happy. Gold filled means that it's essentially kind of like 14 karat gold, obviously not as like high quality, but still very good quality, and you can wear it in the shower. I like have never taken it off, and it is still in like perfect condition. Her packaging is also so freaking cute. You have to, like, it's so cute. I actually did an unboxing on my Instagram. The packaging is top notch, let me tell you. But it says my last name. Super cute, super dainty, super special. I am so in love with it. If you ever place an order, tell her that I sent you, because I am in love with her pieces. Also, by the time this video goes up on the exact same day, I believe her holiday collection and her new collection will be dropping, so check that out. I will leave a link in the description box down below. The other thing that I got was actually in the first order that I placed with her, and it is just this dainty gold ring. I have been looking for just like a solid gold band that was good quality, obviously, for a heck of a long time. It's super dainty, like I barely notice that I'm wearing it. Super lightweight, but the quality is insane. All of her pieces are such good quality. She takes so much pride in her pieces, and I can really understand why. Her customer service, her packaging, and her jewelry pieces are so good. So please, please, please check out her small business, and I will leave a link to her website as well as her Instagram down in the description box down below. The last thing that I bought is definitely the most exciting. If you have watched my last video, you would already know I bought an iPad Pro. I mean, so I did get the Apple Pencil. It's not as exciting. And I also did get a pair of AirPods, but those were free because I did the education discount. But I got the iPad Pro. This has been on my wish list for a heck of a long time. Like, I'm talking years. And I finally did it. I finally got an iPad Pro and an Apple Pencil. This one is the 11-inch second generation 128 gig with Wi-Fi iPad Pro, and I got the space gray color and I am in love with it. I've had it for a while. I do plan to do a what is on my iPad Pro video, so look out for that video. This is what it looks like. It obviously has a case. It's just a basic black case, but I mean, if you watched that video, you know how badly that I freaked out. I don't want to say too much because I'm obviously going to do a whole in-depth video of me actually using the iPad Pro. This is so freaking cool. Like, I've never been so happy with a purchase, and this purchase was a long time coming, and I definitely did my research on this one because I don't play around when it comes to buying something as expensive as an iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil. So that is everything that I bought in September and October. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're as excited for 2020 to end as I am. If you are, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram. I'm the most active there, and I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully next Thursday. Bye!